Okay, here's the recap. You'll see this, the random is going to be in this video too, but this is between Chris and, who's got the Bengals? Overman Brats. And that's number 100. That's going to itself. Now, this one is the Colts, and this went to Bib 22. That's a nice card. Okay, we got Raymond Berry and Lenny Moore dual signature. That went to Bib. That's a nice card. We got this one of Jim McMahon that went to, who got the Bears? Oshie 76. And that is number 100. Oh, the Raymond Berry in that dual signature is numbered 75. I don't know if you can see that. And then Ryan Emery, you got this nice, look at that. Three color break there of Matt Hasselbeck. And that's numbered to 50. Miss Rifle Girl, Miss Lucky, got the Jonathan Stewart Prime Event Worn autograph there. And that's numbered to 49. I got myself a nice Jason Witten one. Yes, I was happy about that. And it's number 200. I was happy. First Jason Witten. And if anybody wants this, because I don't collect the Lions, but if anybody wants it, PM me on YouTube or wherever. Lynn Barney Lions, and that's number 100. Then Miss Rifle Girl, Miss Lucky Miss Rifle Girl, got the D'Angelo Williams, Steve Smith, and Jake Delhomme triple team threads. And these are prime jerseys. This was number 25 right there. Right under D'Angelo Williams. That's a nice card. And then who's the lucky duck that got the Ravens? Where's the Ravens? Ravens. Oh, you got to look at that. That's sweet. Autographed there from Ray Rice. And that's number 225. And then Mr. Overman Bratz got this autograph of Pat Sims. And that's number 299. And who had the Bears again? Bears. Oshie got the nice Devin Hester. Number 100. Okay, so I'm going to do the random on this in just a few minutes, okay? Peace. I'll put it on here. Okay, the randomizer we're getting ready to do is for this nice lovely card here between Overman Bratz and Chris White. Okay, I'm going to randomize this thing 5 times. Okay, so here goes 1. That's 1. That's 2. 3. 4. 5. The timestamp's right there too. So it's done. And I'll get them out. Overman Bratz won it.